Hello and welcome to another Amritsar vlog. Finally starting this vlog with a visit to Golden Temple. So let's go. We have to park the car in the parking and now we have to take the rickshaw and go to Golden Temple. Got the prasad, and how unbelievably beautiful Golden Temple is. It is also called Harmandir Sahib. Also, let me tell you a few facts about Golden Temple. So, this was not actually a Golden Temple when it was built, but the Islamic rulers destroyed it completely, and then Ranjit Singh Raja rebuilt it and then used 168 kgs of gold. And at that time it costed him 65 lakh rupees, and in the 90s, I think from 1994 to 1999, it was again renovated and more gold was added, and now the total gold is 500 kgs, which is worth approximately of 150 crores. So that is there. And before there were 7 to 8 layers of gold when Raja Ranjit Singh built it. They have now added 24 layers, all of 24 karat gold. And now we are going to have our dinner and lunch both. It's 5 PM, but I think this is the best time to go if you want to eat at a dhaba, because otherwise it is a lot of chaos.
So the rickshaw took 50 rupees from Golden Temple to the Barwanda dhaba, and I will give you the review.
और ये हमारा है व्यू. Let's order. To give you a little landmark, it is opposite Partition Museum. So yeah, you come to this branch. This is the original one, but we will still give you a review, honest review, because we had a bad experience at Kesar Ka Dhaba. Not worth it. Completely overhyped. So let's see how this one does. So we ordered lassi. Let's see how it is. It's awesome. So we have ordered kulcha thali. Now Krishma, give your review. How is it? Awesome. And we have also ordered rajma rice, rajma chawal. Let's see how that is now.
Some.
So Barwan ka dhaba was amazing, totally recommend it. And now again we have changed and we are going back to the Golden Temple to see the night view, how shiny it can be. Let's go. So we are going to Wagah border finally, and we are on our way. We have booked a cab, Innova, and it's costing us 2000 rupees to go there. Param is also ready to go. So Wagah border is 35 kilometers from Amritsar, and it will take us 1 hour to reach there. And the parade is at 5 o'clock, and it is already 3:25, so we are going straight there. And this is during winters that it is at 5 o'clock. During summers the parade is at 5:30, from 5:30 to 6, and today it is from 5 to 5:30. So we have parked our car here in the parking, and now we are off to Wagah border. We are here at the line. This is the line for entry. Dad is still getting, still crossing the security point. We have made it because of Pamu. We got a VIP treatment.
वर्षा के प्रति प्रतिबद्धता का स्वर्णिम इतिहास है।
Done with the ceremony. It was amazing. The atmosphere that they create is next level. But imagine what if we were sitting on the other side of the gate. Have you ever thought of that? I can't imagine myself being there. And welcome to the final day here in Amritsar. Today we are going to go to Jallianwala Bagh and Partition Museum and maybe do some shopping. So let's go. So we made it to the Golden Temple Parisar, and the Jallianwala Bagh is there itself before Golden Temple. So that was the entrance that you saw, and that was closed. Firing was done without any notice, and Jallianwala Bagh massacre happened.
बैसाखी के उस पवित्र दिन मिट्टी उन मासूम लोगों के खून से लाल हो गई थी जिनको जनरल डायर के आदेश पर अंग्रेज सिपाहियों ने गोलियों से भून दिया था। आज भी उन सैकड़ों लोगों को याद कर सिरदर्द दौड़ जाती है, जिन्होंने उस दिन भारतीय स्वतंत्रता आंदोलन के सबसे काले दिन यहाँ अपनी आखिरी सांस ली थी।
So behind me is the well, is the Shahidi well. So this is where 120 people jumped themselves to death. So behind me you can see the 28 bullet marks that was fired by General Dyer on the crowd without any warning. So these are the bullet marks. And they were protesting against the Rowlatt Act.
In 1919, at Jallianwala Bagh in Amritsar, the committee has reached its conclusion. It declares Reginald General Dyer not guilty of his actions on 13th of April 1919 at Jallianwala Bagh and orders for his acquittal.
Everywhere there are bullet marks. These are the bullets that went through the wall. Think how many bullets would have went through people. So that's Jallianwala Bagh for you. We saw 4 museums over here and walls with bullet marks, and it's definitely worth the visit, and your blood definitely boils after visiting this place. Anyways, we are now going to go have lunch somewhere. We came back again. We were on Kataba. We ordered sarson ka saag, makke ki roti today, and also rajma chawal. Sarson ka saag, awesome. Roti also awesome. Roti also very good, soft and nice. Makke ki roti. So this is the ticket counter, and the USP of this museum which they are advertising is that it is fully AC museum. Okay. really nice to see. If you have a little extra time on your hand, do visit it. There are a lot of ruins from the time, from the partition time that they have kept it here. So it's nice to see that. And now let's go shopping. अच्छा ही रहेगा।
जो कितना प्यारा कलर आ रहा है।
हमारे YouTube चैनल का हाय तो बोल दो।
हाय।
अब नाम बोल दो आपकी शॉप। नहीं, शॉप का नाम बोलो।
करतार सिंह शॉप।
कहाँ? ये कतरा चैम्बर।
क्वालिटी चौक।
क्वालिटी चौक। कॉलगेट चौक।
नियर रमाडा होटल।
ओके। लंबा लंबा बहुत मत करना। They have helped us a lot, SpiceJet Amritsar. There are good people in airlines also, and they have really helped us while checking in, and thumbs up to them. So good morning from Amritsar, and we are leaving Amritsar today. So the thing is that we stayed at 2 different hotels in Amritsar. First day we were in Courtyard by Marriott, and then we shifted to Taj. But according to me, I would prefer Courtyard more than Taj, specifically in Amritsar. What about you? Which one did you prefer?
No, both are good, but room-wise Taj was better, but service-wise and food-wise Courtyard was better. But baby was fine with both. But they are forgetting a lot of things to pack and orders to follow. They don't as in follow the instruction as it is Taj people, which are given already, and then they are really sorry for that. But the thing is,
no, the breakfast spread was also not that good. Yeah, the breakfast spread in Courtyard was much better than this. So if you are not with a baby, I would prefer that you go to Courtyard. Even with baby, you should go to Courtyard.
Yeah, there are a lot of other options than Taj.
I think Holiday Inn is also good over here.
We have heard that. We'll try that next time when I will come with Param's Papa.
So that's it for
today and for this week. It was Amritsar. We had a wonderful journey and we had amazing stay, amazing shopping experience, and amazing food and amazing places. Cultural tour. Yeah, it was a beautiful thing to visit. The fort, the temple, and the museums. And the best part was Wagah border. We loved it.
So thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe, and we will see you soon from another destination. Bye. Bye. Param tata. Yeah. Bye.